Get ready with me to make a mixed berry Rita. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like making my simple syrup right at home. And it's all very simple. All you need to do is get your mixed berries. I use two types of sugar, brown sugar and regular cane sugar, along with fresh spring water. Bring it to a slight boil and then let it simmer for about 3 to 4 hours. And while it's sitting on the stove, I go ahead and muddle it down, make sure everything is nice and infused. And once that's all done, you're gonna go ahead and get you a strainer, a nice clean glass, and strain all of the juice and the syrup out of the pot. And yes, I am using a coffee mug because I broke my measuring cup. Okay, judge your dad. So for me, I go ahead and transfer it back into my pot because it has a nice little convenient pour, as you can see it right there, and I pour it right into my little jar. I got this set of two from TJ Maxx. It was about $8, $9, but it's so super convenient. Get your favorite tequila. I'm using Camarena Reposado with a little St. Germain's, fresh lime juice, and that fresh simple syrup. Shake really well over ice and serve. Baby, when I tell you this is how you end a week, this is how you end a week. How are you ending your week? Enjoy.